Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at some personal hygiene items from Potty Packs. Alright, thanks for coming back. Now this is something that, people don't always like to talk about, but let's face it, it's a necessary thing in your gear. And these are some kits that I was given from Potty Packs. They were nice enough to send me along some stuff. And I'm going to show you each one. Some of these you may have seen before. I do have something here that I have never seen before. I've never seen anybody review it yet, and that is the Potty Pack. Potty Packs is a veteran-owned company located in the USA. They're in Austin, Texas. So you're buying a USA-made item. And we're going to tear into these. First off, we're going to start off with the shit kit, which is this one here. It's for casual camping, outdoors, hunting, fishing, whatever. A couple of these in your bug out bag would really come in handy. Let's move these out of your way. Again, these aren't for everyday use. They're for emergencies or for your emergency gear. Your get home bags, maybe you keep one at work, if you have to leave in a hurry. We're going to open this up. We're going to show you what's inside. All right. We're going to start off with showing you everything that's in here. First off, you got some hand sanitizer. Very handy. You got your typical moist towelette. You guys have seen these. You get them in the restaurants. They're very handy for cleaning up after, along with the hand sanitizer. All right. And it's average size. That's why I'm opening it, just to give you an idea of the size. There's nothing, not bigger or smaller than normal, just an average size one. You have your toilet paper. And this is a decent, nice amount of toilet paper. I've had some of these emergency kits that have practically nothing in them. And nice thick toilet paper, not going to tear on you. It is a little coarse, but not bad. And again, this is for emergencies, so you're not going to be using this every day. You have Pure Touch Skincare Tush Wipes, individual, if I could speak, flushable moist wipes. They've got aloe vera, vitamin E in them. Let's open it up and take a look. These are nice. These are like big baby wipes. They're soft. There you go. Look at that. Okay. Now lastly, you have a plastic bag if you're hunting and you don't want to leave scent behind, or you want to pick up after yourself on the trail. You have a plastic bag. If anybody's ever, I assume these are intended for use similar to that, where you pick up and you're good to go. So that is the first one. That's the shit kit. All right, next are the Potty Packs. These are more for your traveling, road tripping, tailgating, festival attendee. Basically anybody that needs a portable potty somewhere. Again, perfectly acceptable for a get-home bag or a bug-out bag. If you're somewhere where you're using those porta potties, something like this come in handy. And let's see, we got everything out of there. Again, we have a toilet seat cover. That is very handy because in a lot of these places, when you go to these public restrooms, they're always out. So you got yourself a nice big toilet seat cover. All right, next up, moist towelette, like before, same thing. Nice and easy to wash up with. Okay. Again, you have the hand sanitizer, very handy thing to have. And again, the toilet paper, same toilet paper, and the tush wipes again. Now, I'm going to show you something with these because I noticed it as I was cleaning up the other kit. These almost have a soapy, very clean feeling to them. I was just wiping my hands up with them, and I felt like I lathered up with a ton of soap. It was like really kind of cool. So these are definitely something handy. Yeah, they got that aloe vera kind of nice feeling to them. So it's definitely something handy to have, and then you can dry off. And that is the Potty Pack. Again, that's not the shit kit. This is a single-use item. It's more geared towards, you're going over to a concert, you're somewhere where there's porta potties or something like that. Very handy item to have. Let's move on to the next one, the one I haven't seen yet. All right, moving on to the last one. This is the Potty Pack. This is a little bit different. This is more geared towards, going to outdoor events, festivals, concerts, sports tournaments, hiking, and camping. It can come in handy as well. So let's open it up, and I'll show you what's inside. And this is geared a little bit differently. It's not the same stuff. Whoops, wow. That's kind of neat too. All right, earplugs. If you've ever been sleeping somewhere and it's noisy, or if you've ever been to a concert and it's just too loud, I know, there's no such thing as too loud at a concert. But these are kind of handy to have, okay? You have some insect repellent, very, very handy in areas where there's a lot of mosquitoes and bugs and such. You have the same wipe. This thing is awesome, let me tell you. I like the kit just for these alone. They're really cool. And it smells really good too. I did my hands with it. Lip balm. If you're out somewhere where the wind is blowing and you got chapped lips, comes with that. Instant hand sanitizer again. Sting relief. Same moist wipes, same thing. And you've got sunscreen. So this is really handy from a completely different aspect. And again, this is the Potty Pack, okay? Completely different aspect of preparedness and keeping this in a go bag or something. Totally different stuff. Has nothing to do with restrooms or, going to the bathroom. This is a really handy kit that I really like. And again, it's kind of geared towards outdoor stuff, going to concerts, going to festivals. If you're going to be walking around all day out in the sun, you've got sunscreen there. So it is kind of a handy item to keep in your gear, even your everyday carry gear. So anyway, let's move this stuff out of the way. And I will show you. These are all from Potty Packs. Again, they started out with the shit kit. They moved to the Potty Pack. Now they got the Potty Pack. I'm going to put a link in my description down below. It's my Amazon store. And don't forget to shop there even if you don't need what's in my store. Just click the link and shop like regular. And they're going to have the 5-packs and the bulk packs of these so you can pick them up there. You can also go to pottypacks.com. Get any of these items right there. And don't forget to check out our Thrive Life link down below if you're looking to get some freeze-dried food. We have lots to offer there. Until then, remember to stay safe and stay prepared. And thank you for watching.